Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to enable or disable power saving mode on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to go in the settings by pressing and holding this button for the menu, like this. And now just scroll till we appear in the settings. And now we need to choose this icon, Power Manager, and click it. And right now go in Battery Saver and enable it by clicking right here on the status. And as you can see, when this mode is enabled, we can use our watch up to 107 days, which is really impressive. And also, the lock screen changes according to this mode. So to disable it, go back in the settings. Right here, choose this icon. And now go in Power Manager again, Battery Saver, and just click it to disable, and now you can use it up to 21 days. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.